hold it.
Now Jimmy is going to open the box. Oh yeah, yeah. Jimmy is all going to open the box immediately. Box is sealed. Jimmy opening. Jimmy has opened.
The phone.
Oh, inside what else is that? Guarantee card.
They don't speak direct.
Huh?
The charger.
Real
That's
plug?
it. Wire cable. Battery. User guide.
We're gonna put it all back.
And scratch card. That's all.
Put it all back.
Thank you for watching my video of unboxing.